Assalamualaikum, my name is Norna Suamiti Baru. I am from Group KST1101B. I want to present the introduction and planning of Sweet Bakery Company. For the introduction, we have three components which are company background, level of management, and type of manager. Firstly, background of Sweet Bakery. This company is a partnership business owned by three managers which are Husna, Atika, and Nasuha. Our company sells cake and pastry that consumers can get at a lower price. We provide products that are affordable for everyone, whether young or old. We want to create this company since we want to show our long buried talents. The Sweet Bakery has been given because we want consumers to feel the irresistible taste of our cake and pastry. This company has been operated since 2021 and located at Al-Star Kedah. We contribute a large amount of capital to start the business. We also intend to open more branches in each state in Malaysia. The recipe of our product are secret recipes that were lowered by Husna's mother. Next is level of management. The term level of management refers to a line demarcation between various manager positions in an organization. The number of levels in management increase when the size of the business and workforce increase and vice versa. We use three-level management in our company. Firstly, top managers. Top managers need to set the objective of the company. And then middle managers need to report to top management and allocate resources. And the third one, first line manager. First line manager needs to be supervisor employees and coordinate activities. This is our Sweet Bakery team. Siti Husna as the top level manager and Nur Atika as the middle level manager and Nur Naswa as the lower level manager. We continue at planning. Planning has two components which are vision and mission and type of plans. Our vision statement is to become a company as the first and the best choice for customers. And our mission is to make everyone happy with the enjoyable visit at our cafe. Next is type of plan. We consist of two types of plans which are standing plans and single-use plans. Standing plans comprise rules, policy, and procedures that outline action to take in concrete scenario or tasks that must be performed to attain a given goal. Standing plan is coordination in the business as we bring about consistency and togetherness. Our policy is safety and health policy. The reason we use the policy in our shop is to keep our customers safe and healthy, such as less sugar that can avoid diabetes. The rules in the company is cake must be made with halal ingredients, and the appearance of the worker must be clean and neat. Before the baking process, workers must sanitize their hands and wear masks. And our producer in the company is every recipe has its own standard operation procedure. The ingredient must be measured first before baking, and the ingredient, the raw material for making cakes and pastry must be fresh and quality. The last one is single-use plan. The one-use strategy is designed to tackle a specific problem and then be discharged. The duration of the single-use plan varies based on the project. Our program in the company is an advertising campaign for new menu launch program. Our project in the company is one to review on social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more. We also want to make a page on social media for customers to easily see and update. We want to make a big banner about the promotion and branding project. Our budget for this company is amounting about 30,000. We want to pay influencer about 10,000 for reviewing our product and costing about 5,000 for the venue promotion, and any project amounting 10,000 and 5,000 for other costing.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Husna binti Hazin Salim. My student ID is 2021631984. Next, we will continue on the next topic, which is organizing. In this company, the types of departmentalization is the functional structure. In this structure, there are three functional departments. Firstly, there is marketing department, finance department, and lastly, operational department.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atika binti Kadir. My matric number is 2021824158. So I continue my part. My part is 4.0, locus of decision making. Sweet Bakery use decision making to resolve a problem. So have two types of decision making, which is program and non-program. First program, which is have three. First, wear the dress code, take responsibility and clean up if made a mess, and always follow the correct procedure. First, wear the dress code. Our employee need to wear the dress code designed by Sweet Bakery, so can make it easy for customer to find out and ask about the goods that will be purchased. With that in mind, our business can get positive customer survey evaluation comments. Number 2, take responsibility and clean up if made a mess. Employees need to take a responsibility if made a mess that can discipline and have a sense of sensitivity. Thus, the situation of working area is more controlled and not cause a problem. Thirdly, always follow the correct procedure. Sweet Bakery employees are asked to follow correct procedure that can guide them. If employees follow the step, the tasks that need to be conducted running smoothly, and indirectly the tasks become easy. So next, non-program, which is have 3 too. First, follow standard operating procedure SOP during pandemic COVID-19. Secondly, adapting a new technology, and thirdly, improving brand image. Firstly, follow SOP during pandemic. Sweet Bakery employee need to follow SOP because not to spread the virus to each other. There will be our employee need to wear the face mask and keep social distancing 1 meter while walking. Therefore, can avoid our employee from being affected and business can be continued. Next, adapting to new technology. We ask employees to adapt the new technology, not to miss even need to face pandemic COVID-19. Sweet Bakery recurring training session to make the implementation of new technology easy and more efficient for employees. And last, improving brand image. Sweet Bakery always want to improve its brand image in the pandemic situation and to extend the business area. So we figure out how to appeal to and attract the customer, and we take the initiative to upload about business on social media and the item offer. So our brand image of Sweet Bakery can be known to the new customer and indirectly will increase income. So next is 5.0 motivation. Sweet Bakery has used goal setting theory as a motivation to employees. So have the theory has the 5 criteria mentioned as a SMART, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and realistic, and the last is time related. Okay, first specific. Sweet Bakery set a goal that profit that must be achieved this year is 5%. Therefore, can improve motivators to an employee to achieve 5% in this year, such as improve their communication skill with customer. Next is measurable. For example, Sweet Bakery can be measured for the business profit enhanced by 5% of the previous. Apart from that, the profit will will be counted by Sweet Bakery is in ringgit Malaysia. Next is achievable. Achievable Sweet Bakery is the goal started to get 5% profit by Sweet Bakery can be achieved by employee. Thus, this business need to be involved in skill and improving employee efficiency. Next part is relevant and realistic. The goal set by Sweet Bakery is relevant and realistic for an employee to understand and reach its 5% profit. And the last time related, goals should have a clear time frame in which employee need to be reached, which is Sweet Bakery employee know when they need to retaliate and do it to achieve the goal, which is Sweet Bakery want to achieve a 5% profit at the end of the year. Next, 6.0 leading. Sweet Bakery use the part goal theory to lead this business. The part goal theory of leadership has 4 types of behavior, which are directive behavior, sportive behavior, participative behavior, achievement behavior. Firstly, directive behavior. For example, the Sweet Bakery leader will also show the performance that must be set out to reach the targeted goal that needs to be made to achieve it. So next is sportive behavior. For instance, the leader of Sweet Bakery always embolden and care for his subordinates so as not to be stressed by the given task. Thirdly, is participative behavior. A leader who is the lead of Sweet Bakery will always negotiating as suggestion with subordinates for participation employees in organization decision making. And the last is achievement behavior. Sweet Bakery leader encourage its employees that abilities to face the challenge goal with showing his confidence for subordinates. Thank you.
So now we moving on to the next topic, which is controlling. In the company, there are 3 types of control in the controlling process in the company, which are firstly, feed-forward control, secondly, concurrent control, and thirdly, feedback control. Step 1. Feed-forward control. This control applies before the operational process begins, also known as the preventive control. This control is used to ensure the quality of inputs is in high or best condition in preventing the problems during the process. For example, the operational manager will make sure that all the raw ingredients or materials is the good condition before the manager decides to purchase the ingredients from the suppliers. Step 2. Concurrent control. This control is used during the raw ingredient transformation process, also known as the operational process. This control is used to monitor the ongoing activities to make sure the process is operating smoothly, function properly, and achieve the goals result. For example, if the oven suddenly break down or being malfunction while the process is still ongoing, the manager needs to take full responsibility by taking immediate action by contacting the technician for repairing. And lastly is feedback control. This control is used to identify any undesirable output and take immediate respective action. It is also done after the operational process is completed. For instance, whenever the cakes or bread products are ready to go, the manager will make the final check or the final inspection of the products to ensure the products obey each of the operational standards and specification before selling to the customers. Last but not least, we will be discussing on the last topic, which is quality. In this topic, we will be discussing on the fishbone diagram, which been implemented in the company. The following picture is the fishbone diagram that we have prepared. So in this picture, the problem or issue that we have came up is failure to deliver products on time. From this problem, we came up of five main categories of causes of problem. First, machinery, which is oven, management in delivery aspects, methods, materials, and manpower. In preparing the fishbone diagram, it's not necessarily we need to follow all these five categories. It may be more. It depends on the problem or issue that faced by a company. So this picture is the example of a fishbone diagram in Sweet Bakery Company. So that's all from us. Thank you and have a good day.